Today we're going to make karaage. So we've got some beautiful chicken thighs. It's really important to use thigh meat because it's something that will keep a lot more moisture. A clove of garlic, a little bit of ginger, some sugar, some sesame oil, and some sake and soy sauce. Going to start by peeling our ginger. Best way to do this is with a teaspoon. And then quickly peel the garlic. Now we're going to grate the ginger and garlic into a mixing bowl. So we've gone with about half as much ginger as garlic, and we've gone for a rather large clove of garlic. It's really important to get it really fine, so I've used a microplane zester. We're going to use 8 grams of soy sauce for 4 thighs, and then the same amount of sugar and the same amount of sake. We're also going to use a gram of sesame oil, toasted sesame oil. Marinade done. Take our chicken thighs. We're going to cut the chicken thighs into 4 pieces. We're going to mix it together and let it marinate for 30 minutes. So we've had our chicken marinating for 30 minutes in the fridge. We're going to coat it in flour and then start deep frying it to make our karaage. We've got some plain flour here. We're going to go with 100 grams. And then we've got potato starch. It's quite important to use potato starch specifically. With starches, they all behave slightly differently, and potato starch takes the best crisp. We've got equal parts flour and starch. So we've got our chicken marinated, we've got our flour mixed together. We don't need to dry off the chicken. We're just going to make sure that there's a coating, and we're going to fry the chicken twice to get a really nice and crispy coating. So our chicken has been frying at 130 degrees for now 8 minutes. So it's cooked through. So we're just going to remove the chicken. We'll clean the oil. It's okay, they're going to be hard boiled at the end of the day anyway. So taking our oil up to 170 degrees Celsius, and then we're going to fry them just until they become crispy. For this one, we don't want to overcrowd the pan, so I've just done half, and we'll do 2 batches. So there we have our chicken karaage, served best with a slice of lemon and some mayonnaise. Cameraman, cheers.